Will your ex regret breaking up with you? Many individuals want to know if an ex will regret their decision to end a relationship. In some cases, it's out of spite. And in some cases, it's because they're still hopeful that a breakup will lead to a reconciliation and that an ex will somehow change their mind. Of course, as you know, I'm here to tell you that I don't want you to focus on your ex and their mindset. And I want you to focus on what you can control, because that is what leads to results. Now, with experience, and to answer your question directly, I can tell you that in the overwhelming majority of cases, an ex at some point regrets the breakup because they are no longer clouded by certain negative emotions. They are able to have a more holistic vision of what the relationship actually was. They're not just focused on all the mistakes and the negative traits that you perhaps displayed during the relationship. And so, yes, at some point they will reminisce. Does it mean that they will necessarily tell you or reach out to you? No. A lot of people are too insecure to do that, or too egotistical to show weakness. And ultimately, it's not about them regretting their decision, because just because they regret it doesn't necessarily mean that a new and improved relationship is possible. Just because they regret their decision doesn't necessarily mean that they will be inspired to be with you again or trust you to be able to make them happy moving forward. So that is not the focus. The focus, again, is your ability to offer something new in a real, genuine way. And I have dedicated my life to helping people do just that. I hope that you're not in a place of spite, and I hope that your intentions are good and that you're fighting the good fight and that you're not just trying to get back at your ex for hurting you, because that's not fruitful and that won't help you feel better about yourself. But if your intentions are pure, if you believe that a love together is not just possible, but that it could be healthy and wonderful, then I invite you to approach this process the right way, taking it one step at a time, using all of the tools at your disposal that we've developed over a 15-year period, and using this process as a way of redefining your life for the better and living a life that you're proud of, and using this crisis as an opportunity to create something new, regardless of your ex's mindset, regardless of their regrets. It's something that you must do for yourself. You must value yourself. And if you do, and you take the right steps, it only makes sense for your ex to pursue you, because you will be offering something new. If you are that person that they fell for at the beginning of the relationship, if you have grown and you're able to show that consistently through action, why would they not want to give it another chance? In short-term relationships, it can be more challenging because there's less to grasp at or to build on. But the process remains the same. You cannot be overwhelmed with negative emotions. You cannot be seeking their validation. And you cannot try to get back at them out of spite, because that will not yield fruits. I am here to help you at any time through our website or through our private in-depth videos that you can find in the link below. Our entire team stands ready to help you. If you are confused, if you are unsure what next step to take, it is okay. That's why we are here, and that's why we do and have done what we've done so successfully over so many years. I empathize, and all I want to do is to support you through this challenging period. You know that you have a team and friends in your corner, ready to stand by when and if need be. Continue to fight the good fight. Don't lose hope. And in time, your ex will be fighting for you, whether they tell you that they regret the breakup or not. Take good care. Much love and see you soon.